Hello, welcome to InsureFit Vehicle Installations based in Darwen in Lancashire. We're one of the only StarLine installers in the northwest. So today we're just going to demonstrate the StarLine remote start function on this 70 plate Ford Wildtrak. Everything can be done through the app. You can also activate remote start through the key as well, which we've programmed in. So here's the app. As you can see, the vehicle's armed. We can press the remote start function there, and the vehicle will then start. See the vehicle's running. If anybody jumps into the vehicle with it in this situation, put the foot on the brake, the engine will die and the vehicle will stay completely immobilised. Absolutely ideal for this time of year when you're trying to defrost the vehicle. You're not leaving the vehicle with keys in there. Like I said, it stays completely immobilised. It loads of information through the app. We can also stop the vehicle as well through here. The engine will stop. Execute command, vehicle will then stop. So that's StarLine S96 alarm system with remote start function. Interested in this product, give us a call on 01254 200 211. Thanks for watching.